Okay na, game? Okay. Okay, action! We're back. Here again, with me, it's my ball. I love my ball. They love it too. Especially the girls, okay? Today I'll show you some of my stuff. My 4-pound dumbbell, okay? 20 pounds. 20-pound dumbbell. Too heavy, but for me it's a bit light. Okay. And here's what's this? This one. Oh boy! I just bought this the other night. Hush Puppies. Look at the price. See? See? See it? See it? A new shoe. Okay?
May aso? Pakita may aso. Isang may aso.
Hush Puppies, dude. This one, classic. This one is really nice. It's already been to Singapore. This one, I don't know this. Oh boy, what do we have here? My training shoes. But I wear this when I train in the gym. Okay. Of course, this is my football shoes. Football shoes from my sponsor, Nike. Okay, what else? Oh, what do we have here? My basketball shoes by Nike. Sponsor also, free. And what else? My old Nike from Davao. Newly refurbished. Okay, so okay, that's it. Bye.